You are going to love the 2021 Express Cargo. The Chevy Express Cargo van is ready to handle all of your work tools, carpooling to work, or running the kids to soccer. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, traction control, backup camera. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.